The app marketplace is the library of pre-built integrations that connect your account to the rest of the tools your business uses. Whether it's an accounting platform, a video conferencing tool, an analytics service, or something more specific to your industry, if there's a way to plug it in here, this is where you'll find it. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation menu. Opening it takes you straight to the Marketplace directory, with a search bar across top, category filters down the left side, and featured apps in the main view. The purpose of this section is to give you a single vetted place to extend the platform. Instead of hunting down APIs, hiring developers to build connectors, or copy-pasting data between systems, you browse a directory of apps that are already built to work with your account. Click Install and grant access. The platform handles a connection from there. The first thing you'll do is browse or search for what you need. There are over 1,300 apps in the directory, organized by category: accounting, communication, marketing, analytics, scheduling, and more. You'll find tools like Zoom for video calls, QuickBooks for accounting, Google Analytics for traffic data, and dozens of industry-specific apps for niches like real estate, health and wellness, or e-commerce. Featured apps and curated collections sit at the top to help you find the most popular options without having to scroll through everything. Each app has its own detail page, a description of what it does, screenshots, pricing if it's a paid app, and the install button. Paid apps display their pricing on the detail page before you commit, so you always know what you're agreeing to before the install is confirmed. When you click Install, you're shown exactly what the app is asking access to: contacts, calendars, conversations, payments, whichever pieces it needs to function. You review the permissions, click to allow, and the connection is made. No code, no API keys to copy and paste, just a secure authorization handshake. Once an app is installed, it shows up in your installed view. From here, you can manage what's connected, update settings, or uninstall something you no longer use. And if you ever need to revoke access, change permissions, or move an app entirely, that's all handled from this tab without needing to contact the app developer. It's the central place to see every external tool currently plugged into your account, instead of having to remember what you connected 6 months ago. And the apps you install don't just sit on the side. Many of them extend to the rest of the platform. Connect a video conferencing tool and it shows up as a meeting option when you're configuring calendars. Connect an accounting platform and it appears in your payment integrations. Connect something with workflow support and new triggers and actions show up right inside the automation builder. You can even install marketplace apps directly from inside the workflow builder. The same directory is available there. So when you realize mid-build that you need a connection, you don't have to leave to add it. The marketplace isn't a separate area, it's how the rest of the tools you already use start working together. And that's really just the surface of what App Marketplace can do. Beyond what we just covered, you can install apps with usage-based pricing where you only pay for what you use, and connect webhooks, a way to send data back and forth with almost any system in real time. Everything you connect through the App Marketplace ties into the rest of your account automatically. A connected calendar tool means new meetings show up alongside your existing appointments. A connected payment processor means transactions land in your same orders and transactions reports. A connected analytics tool means traffic data flows into your attribution. The connections aren't isolated. They make the rest of the platform more powerful.